Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a plant which is very colorful and we can keep it anywhere, that is indoors and outdoors both. And the plant's name is croton. So I'll try to discuss about all the aspects of croton. The croton which you all are seeing now, its cutting of 5 to 6 inches. I had collected it from the roadside and planted it in a growing bag, and till now I have not reported from the last 1 year. And you can see I have the green and yellow variegated leaves croton. It is actually famous for its leaves. Croton is a perennial plant. As an indoor plant, you can keep this plant in the balcony or drawing room, which will make the environment look more fresh and looks quite attractive. And its colorful and bright leaves add more brightness of that area. And talking about its soil preparation, it can be planted only in the garden soil. You don't need to add any kind of compost with it. Also, croton prefers warm climate and they are perennial, which lives through many growing seasons. And in order to attain full vibrant color, the plant should remain in the partial sunlight. Now you can see small baby leaves have started growing in my croton plant. One thing to be kept in mind that the more big pot crotons will be planted, the more it will grow. And now you can see I have another collection of croton variety which is also variegated with the broad leaves, and it has green, yellow, purple and red shaded leaves which is very much attractive. 3 to 4 varieties of crotons are enough to make our garden look attractive. Also, crotons should be only pruned to remove unhealthy portions of the plant or to maintain a certain shape. But before pruning again, you should allow more growth. After purchasing the plant, I noticed that many small vines have started growing, which I have never seen before. So, if any one of you know about this thing, then please comment and tell it to me. As you know, monsoon is near, so many unwanted weeds have grown in the pot. So I will remove them one by one. After removing it, I am grubbing the soil, and it's very important to take care of the plants before monsoon, so that's why I am grubbing it. After that, I am adding some vermicompost in the soil of the pot. And you don't need to add any extra fertilizer, only vermicompost is sufficient. That should be given after every 3 months. Now give water to both of the plant. So I will say that you can grow croton from a small cutting without too much care. So you should definitely grow croton at your home to make it more attractive and fresh. So if you all like my video, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.